In today's video, I'm simply showing you what I add to my shampoo in this Harmattan season to prevent dryness. So what I have in this bowl is hibiscus flower and fenugreek seed, which I blended together, and I go ahead to add hot water in order to let the nutrient from the two ingredients get into the water. And I'm going to be infusing this for 3 hours, which afterwards I'm going to use this to mix my shampoo, because this period is very drying. It leaves our hair feeling very dry and dusty. So I wash my hair 3 to 4 times every month, and in order not to strip out too much moisture from my hair, I always like to add natural remedies to my shampoo. So guys, after letting it sit for 4 hours, you can see that the treatment has doubled in size because of the fenugreek. Fenugreek has a slimy consistency and it tends to rise when you leave it to infuse for a while. So this is what we have, guys. I just go ahead to strain out my mixture, and the liquid there is actually very slimy because of fenugreek. So I am just going to go ahead and add the remaining ingredients, which I'm going to be using for this treatment. So do well to watch this video to the end. Leave your comments in the comment section, and please guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel and don't forget to like this video, because it helps my channel a lot. It helps YouTube to push out the video to people who are looking for a similar video, guys. So guys, I'm going in with my shampoo. You must not use my shampoo, use your regular shampoo and just make use of your eyes. I'm going to be adding the shampoo, then I'll stir. Once I get the consistency I'm looking for, I will stop adding the shampoo. And I also decided to make it more potent by adding my DIY hair growth oil, which is on this channel. I'm going to leave the link of this oil in the description box, so do well to check it out. And I'm also going to add it in the card, which is going to be at the end of this video. So make sure you watch the video to the end, and like I said earlier, don't forget to like this video and share it to your friends. So I'm just adding till I get the consistency I want. I want it to be a little bit thicker so that it can just lather well in my hair, guys. So keep watching and enjoy the background music.
Lions roaring in the morning sun, searching for a longer day. People feeling like the light has just come. We must never stop the way. Birds jumping and I hear my name, grasping into a life. Life is happy but it's so insane. We must merely make a start. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the world. Savannah, let's all take a walk. Savannah. The birds have just begun. We will always take a stand for the people, for the land. Let's go back to when we were young. For the animals we stand. Let's go back to when trees were swung. Kids across the land. Savannah, I'm coming home. Savannah, we'll never be alone. Savannah, the beauty of the Savannah. I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah. The beauty of the world, Savannah. Let's all take a walk.
So guys, when I was sure that my scalp is cleaned enough, I go ahead to use my rinse out conditioner, and I'm just going to apply it, and I'll go ahead to rinse it out. So after now, I'm going to prepare my deep conditioner, which I'm going to be making use of avocado, egg and milk. I'm not going to be showing that part in this video. That video will come up after this video. So do well to subscribe to the channel if you have been watching without subscribing, and make sure to turn on your post notification so you'll be notified when I post a new video. And don't forget to like this video so that YouTube can push it out to other people looking for this kind of content. And guys, that is just all for this video. So that brings me to the end of this video. I hope you found it helpful.
Savannah, I'm coming home, Savannah. We'll never be alone, Savannah.